Comanche 57 Papa, turn right in 090, vector for the sequence, you can expect direct Dawson.
Right, 090, 57 Papa.
Baron 0 Golf Mike, descend to maintain 3000.
3000 for 0 Golf Mike.
Skyline 5 Tango Lima, 3 from Wivley, cleared RNAV runway 36 approach.
Cleared RNAV 36 approach, 5 Tango Lima.
And Milwaukee, we have lower for 57 Papa soon.
Or 57 Papa, descend to maintain 5000.
Down to 57 Papa.
Baron 0 Golf Mike, safe speed.
0 Golf Mike, 150 knots indicated.
Skyline 5 Tango Lima, contact Oshkosh Tower.
Over to Tower 18-5, 5 Tango Lima.
Milwaukee approach, Skybolt 9, Golf Whiskey.
Skybolt 901 Golf Whiskey approach.
901 Golf Whiskey, VFR 10 miles east of Fond du Lac, planning visual Oshkosh over.
901 Golf Whiskey to maintain VFR, you can contact Oshkosh Tower when you're ready.
Tower when I'm ready. 19 Golf.
Comanche 57 Papa, turn right heading 110.
South right, 110, 57 Papa.
Baron 0 Golf Mike, 5 from Dawson, maintain 3000 until Dawson cleared straight in, RNAV runway 36 approach.
Okay, maintain 3000 until Dawson. We're cleared for the straight into the RNAV 36 at Oshkosh. Baron 130 Golf Mike.
Career track 260, cleared direct to Pixie.
Clear direct to Pixie, career track 260. Mac approach 570 Whiskey Echo with you 7000 has Bravo.
Cirrus 570 Whiskey Echo Milwaukee approach, expect RNAV runway 36 approach.
Expect RNAV 36 at Oshkosh 570 Whiskey Echo. Milwaukee, Lancair 6, Zulu, Quebec 6000, looking for lower.
Comanche 57 Papa, proceed direct to Dawson, descend to maintain 4000.
Dawson 4000, 57 Papa.
Lancair 6, Zulu, Quebec, launch approach, roger.
Cancer Wonky approach, 0570 Whiskey Echo, also looking for lower.
00 Whiskey Echo, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, 570 Whiskey Echo.
Bonanza 2 Juliet Bravo, turn 20 degrees right.
20 degrees right, 2 Juliet Bravo.
Baron 0 Golf Mike, contact Oshkosh Tower.
Alright, we'll call the tower for 0 Golf Mike. Thanks for that, we'll see you. Quebec looking for lower and approach clearance.
Lancair 6 Zulu Quebec, descend and maintain 4,000.
6 Zulu Quebec.
Lancair 6 Zulu Quebec, you can just continue on the approach for now. There's some traffic below you at VFR.
Roger.
Landing. Fuel pump on prop forward, mixture ridge. Leveling 4.
Comanche 57 Papa, you're 3 from Dothan, maintain 3,000 until Dothan clears straight in, RNAV runway 36 approach.
3,000 till Dothan, cleared straight in, 36 approach, 57 Papa.
Comanche 57 Papa, say speed.
135 knots.
Lancair 6 Zulu Quebec, do not exceed 135 knots.
Okay, we're slowing from 170 right now.
Comanche 57 Papa, there's traffic, 12 o'clock, a mile and a half, 2,000. Looks like they set themselves up for a 12-mile final for 36. Let me know if you see them.
57 Pop, we're IMC right now. Alright, past Dothan. Got glide slope alive. Level here and capture.
Lancair 6 Zulu Quebec, there's a slow-moving final in front of you with some VFR guys going into Oshkosh as well. You want to get turned out or you want to slow down?
Slow down to 120 right now, 6 Zulu Quebec.
Lancair 6 Zulu Quebec, roger. And you're maintain, you can just descend and maintain 3,000 for now and continue on the approach. I might have to give you a little less turn on final.
Roger, 3,000 out of 4, 6 Zulu Quebec.
Lancair 6 Zulu Quebec, actually looks like the Oshkosh Tower is slowing those guys more. So just fly heading 270 for now, I'll have a vector back to final, descend and maintain 3,000.
270 degrees, 3,000 feet, Quebec.
Comanche 57 Papa, contact Oshkosh Tower, let them know you're looking for the traffic.
Over to tower, 57 Pop.
0 Mike.
Oshkosh Tower, Comanche 6057 Papa's 9 mile RNAV IMC 3000.
Comanche 6057 Papa, Oshkosh Tower, roger, report 5 mile final.
Report 5 mile final, 575.
Vertical track.
Is alive. Gear down to go down. Gears down in green. Landing checks complete. Looking for 1,008 feet minimums. Traffic ahead as soon as we clear.
Oshkosh Tower, Airvan, 0 Mike Bravo is 5 mile final 36. Also commercial aircraft display.
1910 Mike Bravo, Oshkosh Tower, roger, runway 36, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 36, 0 Mike Bravo.
And 6057 Papa, I think you're probably still in the clouds, but just be advised, you're going to be following VFR traffic in your 12 o'clock, about 2 miles.
57 Pop, we'll be looking once we break out. We've got them on the scope.
Tower 100 Golf Mike, turn left on Papa 3 and contact ground.
Left on Papa 3, contact ground, shore Gulf Mike.
There we are. Okay, looking for traffic.
Tower 91 Golf Whiskey, entering class Delta airspace 2,500.
91 Golf Whiskey, roger. If you can you're going to be following traffic just west of your position, approaching a 5 mile final. If you can head just a little bit southwestbound and then westbound to follow him.
Okay, turning southwestbound, 91 Golf.
And 575, we're 4 mile final traffic in sight.
6057 Papa, roger, runway 36, clear to land.
36, clear to land, 575.
And 91 Golf, that traffic follow will be in your 11 to 12 o'clock.
91 Golf Whiskey is looking, we're showing him on the pitch binder.
Roger, yeah, and he's at 2000. Whenever we'll report traffic in sight.
91 Golf Whiskey. Golf Whiskey's got traffic at our 2 o'clock in sight.
91 Golf Whiskey, roger, turn final to follow, runway 36, clear to land.
Turn final to follow, 36 clear to land, 91 Golf Whiskey.
Oshkosh Tower, Medevac 608 Uniform Whiskey, checking in 15 southwest, 1,900, requesting permission through the class Delta with Bravo.
Medevac 608 Uniform Whiskey, Oshkosh Tower, transition approved, altimeter 3008, report any altitude changes.
We 8 Uniform Whiskey copied, the transition approved, and what was it after that, please?
Oshkosh Altimeter 3008 and report any altitude changes.
Roger that, 008, appreciate it.
He's just rolling out on the runway, so
and
now I'm good.
Golf Whiskey, you have traffic to follow on site still? Looks like you're getting a little close.
9-1 Golf Whiskey, slowing it down.
Roger. If you need to make some S-turns for spacing, that's approved.
9-1 Golf Whiskey, roger, rest.
57 Papa, exit on Papa 4, contact ground. Or correction, disregard, that's 0 Mike Bravo.
Did you say Papa 4?
0 Mike Bravo from it. You can continue down to Papa 2, hustle please.
Papa 2, 0 Mike Bravo.
Yeah, 6057 Papa, if you'd like, long landing approved.
We can land long if that helps you out.
57 Papa from it, yeah. If you can land long, that'll help us out with the guy behind you.
Yep, I'll aim for the yellow dot.
Seven Papa, exit on Papa 2, no delay.
Papa 2, no delay, 57 Papa. Welcome to Oshkosh, babe. Oshkosh ground, Command Chief 57 Papa. Papa 2 needs taxi down to Papa 4.
That's Papa, roger, you can make a left turn on Papa down to Papa 4.
Left on Papa, down to Papa 4. Left on Papa.
Flying out, Oshkosh ground.
Pick where you're going.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's where I want to go.
Let him know.
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Somebody gonna park on this side of us.
No, we don't need that anymore. This is Zach. We're good.
Somebody gonna be parked on this side, or are we?
Yeah, well, there'll be one or two, but this is great.